name is Ben Jolson. I'm a project engineer at the E2S. Right now we're on the Moorhead side of the river, on the Fargo side of the river. They've completed their boring to get underneath the river. This is the RO concentrate pipe. So with the RO process, or reverse osmosis process, the water is pushed through a membrane, the clean water comes out, and that's what they keep, and everything that's not able to go through the membrane gets concentrated and will be put back into the water source, or into the river, with the diffuser set down on the bottom of the river that will evenly disperse over an area, 10-foot area, and dilute it into the river water once it's installed. So there, as you can see across the river, they've got kind of their landing area to help put everything into the river. They're going to be using boats and divers in the river as well. The membrane water treatment plant is being added specifically to treat sulfates that are coming from Devil's Lake through the Cheyenne River. Their conventional plant right now does not remove the sulfates that are coming through in the Cheyenne River water. The pipe that we're using is HDPE pipe, high density polyethylene. It's able to be fused into one continuous pipe, and they're able to easily bore it and pull the pipe back. And the diffuser itself is really just the end section of the HDPE pipe with a series of holes drilled into it. In this case, it's 3-inch holes to help disperse the water over a bigger area, so it's not just an end pipeline. I've been working on this project for, when we go back through facility plan, almost 5 years. It's almost 2 years left in construction before its operation. Getting to see what was designed and, like I said, put on paper, actually installed, fun part for me.